www.oilstrategy.com.
Hi, it's Chris again, taking a look at the upcoming Tuesday, September 9th trading session. And as you can see, I have the economic calendar in front of you as per usual. Not a whole lot to look at first, but we have a lot of noise coming out of Britain. For me, though, I think that manufacturing production is the number to look at. With that, I think that will be the main, perhaps the main announcement. Carney speaks, but really, unless he says something specific, it's probably not going to move the markets too much. That being the case, we do have trade balance a little bit later, but really manufacturing production is probably going to matter more than anything else out of the UK. And let us not forget that the pound is getting pummeled and the FTSE looks like it's a little bit buoyant, so that could be the theme, and we'll take a look at that here in a second. Looking at the North American session, really nothing great. We do have some bond auctions, and that can move the markets, the stock markets that is, but generally only if it's poor. So if it's poor, it will wreak havoc in the stock markets, but otherwise probably won't do much. Distillates, petroleum, etc. is being released for the session in America as well. Could move the oil markets a little bit. Really, probably expecting more or less a continuation of what we've seen, and for that we'll take a look at the charts. Okay, let's take a look at the FTSE here. We did get a pretty significant pullback, but a nice bounce in order to form a hammer. This hammer, of course, shows that there's a lot of support underneath, and as a result, I believe that this market is going to go higher. Given enough time, we probably will even break out over the 6,900 level, which is the obvious barrier at the moment. British pound looks horrible, and I see it going to 160. Any rally at this point in time is a selling opportunity. There's no two ways about it. I think that will continue to be the theme going forward, and I will sell and sell again. Looking at the euro, same story. Can't get out of its own way, except for it's heading to the 128 level. That being said, looking over in the oil markets, we are starting to see a little bit of support down here around 92.5 or so. So if we get some good numbers out of those distillate numbers and some of the inventory numbers for the day, it might move the market to the upside a little bit, might provide a short-term buying opportunity. 90 below is the floor. If we break below there, oil is going to get ugly quickly. Looking over at the S&P, you can see that we are still hugging the 2,000 level. Really no reason to think anything is going to change. We're going to continue to bounce, and we are going to continue to buy on dips. So having said that, we are bullish of the S&P 500. And with that, I've taken a look at the Tuesday, September 9th trading session.